basic retouching is done. Now what I have to do is manipulate this part or recreate this part. Let's do a wrap path for it, these dimensions. Okay, we can use solid brush to draw this part again. Just lock the layer. It's very simple, but okay, looks quite good now. What we have to remember, that never do anything what makes the jewelry unnatural. Most of our clients always want to keep the jewelry natural. Okay, now what I have to do is merge these parts. I have all the metal parts in a separate layer and also the stone in another layer. Okay, I just made a copy of the metal part and apply the camera raw filter again. You can see some fingerprints and some noises are here again. I have to reduce or remove those completely. That will make the jewelry or the surface more attractive. Okay, go to the detail, turn the luminance to 80 to 90%, luminance details 10 to 15%. Now sharpen. It makes the jewelry bit blur, so I have to add the sharpen. Sharpen amount never more than 30. I made it 20, radius 20, sorry, radius 2, and the detail 30. Okay, you can see the fingerprints are gone, and also it makes the surface more smooth. Okay, black mask, I have made a black mask again, and brush where the necessary. This part, fingerprints are here as well, here. You can brush what necessary. Okay, now you can see the dimensions are gone in some areas. I have to recreate it, so let's make a path on the edge of this surface. Now made a new layer, blank layer, brush size is 5, 6. Now made a stroke, black stroke there, make the edges smooth, opacity 30 to 40%, filter Gaussian 2, made a copy and moved it a little bit, then invert it, that makes a white stroke again. Okay, so one stroke is black and another is white. That makes this portion more visible. We can use another stroke here. Okay, it's quite done. Here is a little bit of dust or threads. We can use solid brush again. I'm using eyedropper to select the color. It should be the same color as the jewelry. Okay, now this dimension is also gone, so I have to recreate it. I made a selection, give a feather to the selection, create a new layer and fill with black, then the opacity 30%. Okay, now it looks quite good, I think. Okay, what I have to do is make a group for all the metal parts and stone in a separate layer. Now let's do a color correction for the white gold. I'm using camera raw filter again, saturation minus 100%, temperature plus 25, contrast maybe 20, clarity 15. That's it. Okay, here is the true tone. We get the true tone of the white gold. Now it looks odd, the stone color. Let's change the stone color. Again, camera raw filter, go to the fourth, what is called HSL or grayscale, made the yellow saturation minus 100, orange minus 50, red minus 50. Turn the blue plus 50. Now go to the first icon and temperature minus 3 or minus 5. That makes a blue hue. Contrast little, add 20% of contrast. Highlight 10%, light 10%, that's it. Dark 10% again. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, it looks quite good, but I have to add more sharpen them. Go to filter, sharpen, unsharp mask. Amount 80, radius 60. It's too much, so amount 60, radius 60. That's it. Nice. Again, unsharp mask, amount 60, radius only 0.5. You can see the changes. Nice. Now what I can do is add more white in these edges. Again, I am adding a white stroke, 100% white stroke, another white stroke here. Nice. A black stroke here. Erase the unnecessary parts. Okay, now it's almost done. Adding some shadows in the inside part. Okay, let's create a shadow to make it more natural. Another dark shadow for the touching part. Okay, it's done. You are done with the jewelry touching. Let's see the changes. Compare the changes. Here is the original file and here is the edited version. Let's see together.